In India, the 2026 Assembly elections witnessed large-scale voter participation in both West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, with high voter turnout recorded across constituencies. In West Bengal, approximately 3.6 crore voters cast their ballots in 552 constituencies during the first phase of polling. The voting began on a strong note with an initial turnout of around 18.8% in the morning. By 11 a.m., the voter turnout had increased to nearly 41%, and by 1 p.m., it had crossed 62%. By the end of the day, the overall turnout reached an impressive 89.93% by 5 p.m., reflecting exceptionally high voter participation. Overall, a tough political contest was witnessed, especially between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP. There were reports of violence and clashes in some areas during the voting. However, despite this, the polling process continued. Meanwhile, in Tamil Nadu, polling was conducted in a largely peaceful and orderly manner. The state recorded a voter turnout of over 82.24% by 5 p.m., indicating strong public engagement in the democratic process. Ahead of the elections, enforcement agencies carried out extensive operations in both states. During these actions, assets worth over 1,000 crore rupees, including cash, liquor, drugs, and other illegal materials, were seized as part of election-related vigilance measures.